At New York Cables, we don't just build cables, we build connections that power the digital world. Every cable is carefully made to give you fast and stable internet at home, at work, or anywhere. 17 years of trust, innovation, and non-stop evolution. We use pure copper wires, twisted in pairs to help your data move fast and smoothly. Insulated with vibrant precision, each pair resists crosstalk and interference, ensuring crystal clear signals. Wrapped in tough plenum and riser jackets, ready for any environment. Let's explore the cables built for today's demands. Cat 5e Plenum, reliable, safe, and perfect for everyday connections. Cat 6 options for every need, from pure copper performance to cost-effective CCA solutions. Step up with our riser-rated cables, ideal for multi-story installs with blazing speeds up to 10 Gbps. And when fire safety meets power, Cat 6a Plenum delivers speed, strength, and security. Complete your setup with a full range of accessories, from connectors to patch panels. Smart networks start with smart choices. Start with New York Cables.